You've probably seen the rumors that the Pump token is going to explode soon. Well, the rumors are true. Pumpfun just started an airdrop of more than 1 million Pump tokens, and you can claim your share under a few minutes. You also get a small reward in Solana directly to your wallet for participating in this airdrop. Okay, so here's how you can claim it. As you can see, I'm already on the official airdrop page. I will put the link in the description so you don't need to waste time finding it. When you scroll down, you can see the current requirements. I have found all you need to do is just follow their X profile and of course, be an active Pumpfun user. This airdrop will last only few days, so hurry up and boost your portfolio right now. This is a chance you don't want to miss. Now, just click on this X icon or search at Pumpfun on X. And just hit follow. After you are done following, or if you already followed their Twitter before, go back to the page. Once you do that, click on the button, Claim Your Tokens. This window will pop up, and you just need to choose a wallet where you want to receive your share of tokens. Don't worry, it's safe. Pumpfun will never ask you for your password or anything. If your wallet is only on a mobile device, then you must scan a QR code with your phone. After you just continue in a wallet and confirm the receiving of the tokens. I can't really show you the process, because I am recording on my computer. I will show you a screenshot of the tokens being successfully received to my wallet. Don't forget to like and subscribe.